Hi friends, students and parents, good evening to all. How are you? Are you safe? I just pray Ganpati Bappa to bless you with good health in this severe COVID-19 pandemic. Students and many parents requested me to launch chess basic course online or YouTube channel as they are unable to attend regular classes. So to give respect to their request, I decided to launch this basic chess course in small parts of videos. So friends, now we are going to learn about chess. This basic chess course is really very helpful for the newbies and beginners, especially those who cannot afford to attend the regular offline classes to their respective coaches, especially in the pandemic situation when the government banned to wander here and there and all classes are closed. Even schools are closed now. So I hope this video is really helpful for the students and parents who want to learn chess. Before learning chess, we should know what is chess. The word chess is an English word. The game chess is derived thousands of years before in Indian subcontinent. That formation is different from the latest version. It is said that the wife of Ravan, Mandodari, had first introduced the chess. It is also described in some Purans. That is not a part of the latest chess, but now chess is very advanced. Especially when computer enter in this field, the concept of chess is totally changed. Nowadays, the chess is a worldwide game. It is played almost on the whole earth. Now it has specific rules. There is one special institution which conduct and control the whole chess activities, and that is, we all know, it is FIDE, Federation of Chess International level. They form the rules, they conduct the competitions, they give the titles, they publish the ratings every month. So the game of chess is totally different from that of ancient times. If you look at the spelling of chess, it tells you something about the ancient war strategy. The game of chess itself derived from the war strategy. We will learn it later. First of all, I will explain the meaning of chess. The long form of chess, the spelling of chess itself conduct 4 letters. The chess stands for C. C means chariot warriors. In ancient war, if you watch some movies, Hindi movies, English movies, even Chinese movies, some warriors fought war with chariot, which carries sometimes horses and sometimes other animals also. After that, Yach. Yach stands for horses. The single warrior who used his own horse to fight against the enemies. Though there may be whole troop of horses. After that, warriors who use elephants to fight against the enemy. And after that, soldiers. Soldiers are even nowadays, it is called infantry. So obviously This spelling itself explains the meaning of chess, which is specially related with war strategy from thousands of years. So it is from the old time, and that is why the game is called the royal game. From ancient times, the game is played by royal family members or the members who related with war strategies. Sometimes there is reference which describes us the game is also played and developed by some monks. There are so many openings which are related with this, which describe that, especially with the royal office and so on. The game of chess is very deep. It stimulates your brain power. That is why it is also called the complete game of brain. There are so many benefits of playing game, not only for developing your game skill but also your life skill. Chess helps you to develop yourself, to develop your personality. I will tell you it all in detail in the next part. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channels and push the bell icon button, and also if you are interested to join with my channel or whether you want to join my online coaching classes, you can contact me +919923024379. Thank you.